Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into everything beauty related to give you the honest expert insights you need. Ever felt like flossing just doesn't quite get the job done? Or maybe you've struggled with cleaning between your teeth without hurting your gums or causing irritation? If you've been looking for an easier, more effective way to keep those hard-to-reach spaces clean, then you're in for a treat today. I'll be reviewing the TePe Interdental Brushes 0.8mm green, a simple yet vital tool for anyone serious about their oral hygiene. Let's talk about the basics. The TePe Interdental Brushes are small, flexible brushes designed for cleaning between your teeth, around implants, and even around orthodontic appliances. They come in color-coded sizes, and the 0.8mm green brush is a perfect middle ground for those who need a slightly larger option. The wire is plastic coated, which makes it safe for tooth surfaces, implants, and braces. This feature is especially important because it prevents scratching and damage to delicate surfaces while ensuring you get a thorough clean. Now, I'm no dentist, but as someone who values a thorough beauty routine, keeping my smile healthy is just as essential as my skincare regimen. I've been using these interdental brushes regularly, and they've been incredibly easy to incorporate into my routine. The flexible G2 neck is a game changer. It's not rigid, so you can maneuver it easily around the curves of your teeth, even the back ones, without feeling like you're twisting your wrist too much. The cap also doubles as a protective cover, which is super handy for storage or carrying them around in your bag. When I first used the TePe Interdental brush, I was impressed by how gentle it was on my gums while still getting the job done. It didn't feel harsh or abrasive at all, which is a major plus for anyone with sensitive gums like me. I love how the brush's handle is sturdy, yet lightweight, giving you a good grip without feeling awkward. Plus, the fact that the cap also works as an extension handle is such a practical little addition. It makes cleaning between the back teeth easier, especially if you're someone who struggles with those hard-to-reach spots. Now, let's break it down. The pros of these interdental brushes are pretty clear. They're super easy to use, gentle on your gums, and offer a deeper clean than traditional flossing. The flexible neck ensures you can get into tricky spots without discomfort, and the color-coded system makes it easy to pick the right size for your needs. The cap is a nice bonus, making them portable and safe to store. But there are a few cons worth noting. The brushes are small, so they might not be suitable for those with wider gaps between teeth. If you need something larger, you'll have to consider a different size. Also, as with any product, they're disposable, so you'll need to replace them periodically, which might not be the most eco-friendly option out there. So, when it comes to value for money, the TePe Interdental brushes hit a sweet spot. They're not the cheapest on the market, but they're definitely not overpriced. For the price, you're getting high quality, safe and effective cleaning that's easier and more efficient than regular flossing. The 0.8mm brush is a great option for most people, but if you're looking for a more customized fit, TePe offers other sizes to match different spacing between your teeth. As far as alternatives go, there are a few options out there, like Oral-B's interdental brushes or the Gum Soft Picks, which are both similar in function but might offer different handle designs or brush sizes. If you're looking for something a little more affordable, these alternatives can work just as well. However, in terms of quality and performance, I find the TePe brushes to be more durable and effective, especially when it comes to the plastic-coated wire. As for build quality, TePe doesn't skimp. The brushes feel solid and durable. The handle is lightweight but not flimsy, and the bristles hold up well with regular use. I've been using mine for a couple of weeks now, and they haven't lost their shape or effectiveness. They're designed to last, and that's something you'll appreciate over time. Before I wrap this up, if you found this review helpful so far, please take a second to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers like yourself can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest, in-depth reviews just like this. And if you're itching to grab these brushes, the link is in the comments. Now, I didn't have to reach out to customer service, but I've seen great reviews about TePe's support team, who are known for being responsive and helpful when any issues arise. The brand has a solid reputation, so if you have any questions or concerns, you can expect good service. If you're still on the fence about whether these brushes are right for you, let me just say, if you struggle with traditional flossing, these are a must-have. They're an easy addition to your dental care routine that really makes a difference in your smile's health. Whether you have braces, implants, or just need a little extra help between your teeth, the TePe Interdental Brushes are worth the investment. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used these brushes or any similar products, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Stay tuned for more honest reviews, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.